How to fix Snapchat camera black screen on Snapchat. Today guys, I have solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go and open the settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or application. Then you will find here all the application that you have on your phone. And what you should do right now, just you have to square down the screen and search for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat guys, just open it like this and go to storage. Then go to the last button, clear data, click OK, go back and click force tab, click OK, and then go back again to Play Store and update Snapchat. And that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.